Today, I'm talking about a new drone that might just change how we shoot aerial video in 2025. This is indeed the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and trust me, it's more than just an upgrade. It's a triple lens cinematic powerhouse. So let's break it down a little bit. What makes this drone a new gold standard for aerial content creators? Let's start with the camera setup. The Mavic 4 Pro comes with not one, but 3 cameras, each with a purpose. And what's wild is all 3 cameras can shoot in 4K 60 HDR and support slow motion up to 120 frames per second. The 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera can take up to 100 megapixel photos, which is 5 times clearer than the main camera of the previous generation. It also can record full pixel 6K 60 frames per second HDR video with 15.5 stops of dynamic range. It's basically like having a drone with a built-in lens kit. Now let's talk about something really exciting, the Infinity Gimbal. Not only can you shoot from a 70-degree upward angle to capture mountains and buildings with more dynamic perspectives, you can use the 360 roll rotation to create radical camera movements. It's just giving you a new set of ways that you can film something that has already been filmed before. If you shoot at night, this drone has your back. The Mavic 4 Pro can fly and sense in 0.1 lux, which is basically flying in moonlight. It's got 6 fisheye sensors and forward-facing LiDAR, which means even in pitch black scenarios, you can dodge obstacles and return home without GPS. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. It has 51-minute maximum flight time. It flies 25 meters per second top speed, which is 90 kilometers an hour. And it's got a 30-kilometer transmission range with DJI's new O4 Plus system, and it supports 10-bit HDR transmission end-to-end. You can fly further, longer, and with better image quality. The new DJI RC Pro 2 is a controller made for the creators. It's got a 7-inch mini LED screen with 2000 nit brightness. It's got foldable joysticks and a rotatable screen for vertical shooting. It's got a built-in mic, 4-hour battery life, and 128 gigabyte storage. So whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or TikToks, this controller adapts to your workflow in seconds. So who is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro for? If you want to film like a pro, push the boundaries of drone cinematography, and fly with confidence in the day or night, this drone was made for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found any of this information helpful, help me give a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you would like to shoot with the Mavic 4 Pro. Hope to see you in the next one.